mountains and the sea, measured out the universe, and you made me. Echoes of
Miracles, signs, and wonders are product of divine encounter.
reach throughout the ages, and
Divine encounter is an unexpected meeting with Jehovah. Divine encounter is a heavenly meeting with humanity. Divine encounter is any heavenly is when heaven remember a man. I am called Apostle A.E. Godwin, and I have no doubt about that. Let people keep talking. I shall keep rising, because the higher they talk, the greater I become. Change doesn't come anyhow. Until you decide to change, you will never see change in life. You will never see the fullness of grace until you accept grace. And anywhere there is no grace, there is full of disgrace.
that you are mindful of me.
God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Right where you're watching me, the Lord bless you, the Lord increase you, the Lord keep you on every side. Peace be unto you. I bring you shalom greetings from the throne of grace. Again, it's your favorite apostle, Apostle A.E. Godwin, president and the founder of Canaan Gospel Ministry Worldwide. Right where you are watching me, anywhere you are, in Malabo, in Lesotho, in Namibia, in Uganda, in South Africa, in the UAE, in the UK, in the US, anywhere you are in Eastern Caribbean, anywhere you are, anywhere you find yourself in Nigeria, in Cameroon, anywhere you are located, I am highly inviting you for this prophetic encounter. When God hears the cries of his people, he releases his servant. God has sent me because he has heard your cry. On the 7th of February 2021, God has sent me to meet up with the needs of men. God has sent me as a priest, as an oracle, as his servant, to meet to his people for their deliverance, to meet to his people for their miracle. I don't know what you have been praying God for. I don't know what you have been believing God for. I don't know what you have been asking God for. I don't know what have been your challenge or problem over the years. But God has said to me, said, I have heard the cries of my people, and I am sending you down to my people on the 7th of February 2021. God said to me, says, going to descend to his people so mightily. He's going to throw his weight so mightily. Remember when I first spoke this year, when this year began on the course of the night, I said this is the year of divine encounters. God said we are going to be having tremendous encounters from all parts of the earth. And this is the first encounter we are having with divinity. God has decided to visit his people this time, the beginning of the year. God has decided to visit his people February 7, 2021. I am inviting you right where you're watching me. I don't know what have been your prayer points from last year. I don't know all over the years. I don't know what you have been asking God for. But God says this February is your February to remember. This February is your February of recovery. You're believing God for a job, you're believing God for a house, you're believing God for a car, you're believing God for a wife, a husband, you're believing God for peace in your marriage. This February is for you. February 7 is for you. I am waiting to see you there. I am waiting to see you there. You can share this video to as many persons you want to share. You can share this video to as many relatives you want to share. God is meeting his people so mightily. God is meeting his people so mightily. God said to me, he said this February he's visiting with his people with strange miracles. He said he's going to give them, those that are believing him for a job, he's going to give them job. Those that are believing him for car, he's going to give them car. Those that are believing him for healing, he's going to give them healing. Those that are believing him for miracle money, he's going to give them miracle money. Those that are believing God for marriages, whatever, he said he's going to be visiting them and your family. It's gonna be visiting you and your family. The reason why you are privileged to watch me live now is because God has heard your cry and has answered you. That's why He has sent me to tell you that do not miss on the 7th of February 2021. Do not miss this life-changing encounter. Are you sick of diabetes, leukemia, high blood pressure, cancer of the blood, HIV, hepatitis A, B, C? Your blood has been changed. You were born with the blood of SS. God says He's changing SS to AA. God is doing miracles. He said on that day, miracles, signs and wonders will happen from all over the world. You're having a kidney failure, God is ready to give you a new kidney. You are having a heart attack, God is ready to give you a new heart. You are having a failure, a heart failure or whatever. Also, asthma, God is ready to give you that healing that you're waiting God. You are believing God for. Have you been believing God for child or children and you are unable to give birth? Maybe you have been giving birth before, maybe you have children or you have a child and now it's difficult to have another. I am inviting you to this love encounter. Listen to me, I am not the one taking the problems. I'm not the one taking that sickness away. I'm not the one giving you joy. But I have a God which is Jehovah Juva. He's Jehovah Shammah. He's Jehovah Shalom. That same God is the one I'm talking to. He's right where you are. Distance is not a barrier. That God is responsible of taking away that sickness. He's the one giving you beauty for ashes. I am inviting you. I'm inviting you. I have a God that have sent me. I have a backup. My God is present to give you a miracle. My God is present to give you a testimony. There is no testimony without a test. This is your test now. I am inviting you, pass this test and receive your testimony. You can share these videos to as many persons you want to share, to loved ones, to relatives, to family members, to friends, in groups, in Facebook pages, in timelines. You can share to as many persons you want to share. Invite many persons that you know they are going such a situation, that you know they are going such a problem, they are undergoing such a problem. Invite them. I'm gonna pray for them on that day and God is gonna do His miracle. Remember, I am going to be prophesying so mightily that day. God said to me, He's gonna open my eyes like never before on that day. I am going to be prophesying, and as I am prophesying on that day, miracles, signs and wonders will be happening. As I will be prophesying, if I mention your case, miracles will be happening. And I'm going to be praying. I'm going to handle cases one after the other. I'm going to take time. I'm going to handle cases one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So I am inviting you. This is heavenly visitation. God have remembered us and have sent me to meet you for your miracle. God have sent His servant apostle A.E. Godwin for your deliverance. God have sent me to bring that job, that man, that boy, that child to you. God have sent me, so I am only inviting you to come. Get this encounter on the 7th of February. I'm going to have it on Facebook and on WhatsApp. But I prefer you get to me on WhatsApp because I'm going to be doing the broadcast on WhatsApp before coming to Facebook. I am begging you now, you can share and make sure you get the number that follows. You get the number written on the screen. You get the number. You can follow our WhatsApp. You can join our WhatsApp group. You can join our WhatsApp link because I'm going to be elaborating much on the WhatsApp before releasing it on Facebook. So I am inviting you. Listen to me. One of the mistakes we do is when we have been praying and God decides to bring a miracle and we are not ready for the miracle. God will not leave heaven to come down to give you that miracle, but God will send His servant to bring that miracle to you. So God have sent me to answer your prayer that you have been praying. So I am waiting to see you there. I am still one of the favorite Apostle A.E. Godwin, president and the founder of the Canaan Gospel Ministry. We are the Canaan family, and we are inviting you. I hereby invite you on behalf of the Canaan family that you are highly invited in this special service. Join us live. Follow our WhatsApp link so you can get the real details of the prayer and the prophecy. I am welcoming you. Welcome. I say God bless you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. God bless you. God bless you in the name of Jesus Christ.